Unai Mweene Kivila wa budget Mbungeni, Muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro Niwavithua kana Silikali Nivathite Budgetini iininiva bilioni 50 cia Kutwaiisya Maundu ma Uteti Aiweta Ilovia Mbingi ila Syithiitwe iinenganwa Makomanoni ma president na Mbumbanoni cia Atongoi Angi Silikalini ni Mbesa cia Mwenenthi ciutumikana ina ciosetwe imwe kwa imwe kuma budgetini yao yuvathukanu na miao ainene ya kikaloni cha somi kukonya kinando Institute of Public Finance Musini wa Ilovia Nyoro ingi Niwavithua kuendelea kukosoa serikali Aiweta venavata Mwenenthi kutavua uwo iulu wa wanangiko mwingi wa Mbesa Benjamin mwaka na mauvo.
Nyoro iinenganwa Ilovia nolomilelia Silikali Nivathite iininiva shilingi bilioni 50 cia kwianisya maundu ma uteti na vala walumilelia Ilovia ini Syithiitwe inaikwa Makomanoni ni ateti mulengoni wa Silikali ila meukuna maundu ma kiuteti undu mwana siekalosyo na makundi kivuthukanyo.
Go and check the budget that we are implementing today and you realize Kenya has budgeted over 50 billion Kenya shillings for political management. Those who are here, they know what I mean, political management. The money you see being dished out is not grown. It comes from your pocket. And I want you to go check. One of the parameters I saw Kenya was to do last year was to do away with confidential fund. Go check how much money it is in all the areas that confidential fund is. And you realize the money we borrowed for Talanta Stadium, we have also budgeted an equivalent money just for political management. Political management. I'm being diplomatic.
Mweene Kivila uwatene wa zama budget Mbungeni Nene Niwavithua kwa ivindambe kitumi chake cha kweyumilia kukosoa Silikali oyu ila ni miaka uta kuma wetango vakuvi na vina wa Atongoi uweta vaitoneka kuwa Silikali la windhini mianani ya Atongoi.
When you are serving in a capacity that I was serving before, just as you serve in any other capacity around government, because as you understand, when in the positions of departmental committees and other committees like the one I was, you work very closely with the National Treasury and the government of that time. There is something called, I would call it collective responsibility. And this is what works politically. In politics, you leave your seniors to talk about all the good things. I mean, you are not the head of government. You are just some chairman somewhere there. So we had to do that time.
Ainene kikaloniki cha ikundi ya maundu maukwati ya Institute of Public Finance IPF Nyoro niwaithia muno viyuwayo luwa mauta va Kenya Aiweta wiothothe ya vanene kikucha makambuni maingi va musi ila ni ukuno kwa sekta wandikani na usovya wa bidhaa.
Why is global oil prices decreasing by 14% and in Kenya it is decreasing by 11 cents? This issue of fuel prices is not an easy topic. It is very important because our factories run on fuel. Our economy runs on fuel. When we keep on increasing the cost of fuel, at any point we get an opportunity. And we do not, in commensurate manner, lower when the global oil prices are going low. We are basically handing over Kenya to our neighbors. And we are basically handing over manufacturing to our neighbors.
Ingi nolumilelia moloto wa Silikali wa kuthoesya andu mbene kambuni na mivyame na minene ya Silikali ta KICC na kambuni wa Kenya Pipeline nisya ilotwa iwa kwa kukonya Mwenenthi nokana kwete mwikio kula kwi enenthi kukonya wikiku na withianu vya salani ino.
Were it not for the trust deficit, the best route would have been to arrange for a strategic investor. Unfortunately, we may arrange for a strategic investor and the person could be the one next to your table when you are discussing it. So privatization wholesomely is good, but we have to remove vested interest. And the best way to do it is this way. Whatever you value that company, it's okay. Value it even at 1 shilling. But sell all the companies to local individuals who are Kenyans. Then from there, you cut off all the paths of any mischievous person.
Kuma vamos in Ilovia, dilipoti ya vilingo wa mauvonye, nito wa Benjamin Mwakam.